फ्रेंड्स, नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल, सलाम वालेकुम। आप सब लोगों को नेहा 0103 एंड फाइनेंशियल इंडिपेंडेंस सर्विसेज की तरफ से ईद मुबारक। Today we would be sharing this video wherein we would be sharing next week levels of Nifty. We would be sharing different stocks and sectors which would be performing well in the next week, and we would be talking about some important bulletin points which we shared with you during the morning session today. And along with that, we would be sharing some very important things with you. There have been people who have been using our name and have been cheating innocent investors. So we would be sharing those things so that you can take an informed decision and can save innocent investors from being looted by various fraudsters. So let's move on to the weekly video. This is our PPT. Just give me, yes. So I would just zoom it. So this is our FIS weekly video, and now it's important bulletin which we had shared with you today morning. So guys, as you all know, Corona has been rising at a very rapid pace in India now. So we would suggest that you all should, stay home, stay safe, go out with a whenever you go out only for essentials. Stay at home so that you are safe. So the cases of Corona are rising, and if these cases rises at a similar pace or a faster pace, there could be chances that there will be another lockdown by the government. So in that case, market would be testing its recent lows, and we have to take care of ourselves during these testing times. So be very, very cautious, follow all the precautions, and it would be great if you could stay at home. That would be the best solution, we would feel. And meanwhile, there is a Reliance rights issue which has been opened. So if you have Reliance in your portfolio, which we feel is a must in every portfolio, you should go for this. You should apply for this rights issue, and you can apply for every 15 shares. You can apply for 1 shares for the rights issue. So it's very important. If you have Reliance in your portfolio, which we feel is the king of the market as of now, it should be in every portfolio, then you should apply for this rights issue if you are eligible for it. This week there would be 15 F&O companies who would be delivering their quarterly results. So please have a look at them and trade according to the results which are posted. And as you know, we are result season specialists. We would be only suggesting pair trades to clients with premium BTST and all-in-one premium clients only. So that's the second thing. This has been done keeping in mind that normal BTST clients don't have capital to carry pair trades. As of now, as a market is uncertain and the movement depends on news from the foreign markets, US, China and all. So we would be only giving pair trades, and that requires a capital of at least 3 lakhs. So these are the 2 packs which have the capital of 3 lakhs plus. So these clients have 3 lakh plus capital. So these would be shared only in these packs. And one more thing which we had not highlighted much, that all our prices have 18% GST included in it. So if you have a firm and you can take input tax credit, you should pay Aman for the GST invoice, and you would be getting, so that money would be saved. If you have a firm, you can take input tax credits, right? This week onwards, in equity performance report, we would be sharing it with 2 lakhs value. Earlier, we were doing it with 1 lakhs. This has been done because we feel that now there have been many members who have been trading with us for a longer period of time, and most of the members use 3 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs kind of capital to trade. So we would still keep it minimum to 2 lakhs for every trade. So that is one thing. And again, before you increase the volumes, we would again like to emphasize that the concept of happy stop loss. So every trade has a stop loss with it, and that stop loss should be happy. My point is that if you are invest according to your risk appetite. Don't over leverage. So every time you take a trade, it should be in mind that if the stop loss hit, how much loss I would bear. Is this loss bearable? Or it will give me a financial or emotional trauma. So you have to keep it in mind. So don't get greedy. We know that our calls have been doing perfectly well. There was 100% accuracy on Friday, but always remember, market is supreme, and there is stop loss to reduce your losses. So if there would be days that it would get hit, so always keep that in mind before over leveraging or taking undue risk. So that's one point of caution that we would like to add. And then one more thing, change which what we have done is that future packs and equity packs would be getting different calls. So if some of you want to trade in equity and futures both, contact Aman and decide which pack is most feasible for you. And early bird offer for King pack would be ending today, and Magic pack prices would be increasing from tomorrow. So Magic pack has been doing very good for us. It has a very good accuracy of around 90%. So if you want to take that, you can renew today itself. Rest prices would increase from tomorrow. And so these are the main bulletin points which we have shared. Now I would move on to a very important topic, which is our second slide. There have been people who have been using our name, who have been using Neha 0103's name to loot loot investors. They are faking as Neha, and then they have been taking money from innocent investors. बहुत से ऐसे channels हैं जो हमारा नाम लेके आप innocent investors को cheat कर रहे हैं. तो उसके लिए ही ये हमने ये बताया है कि right channel कौन से हैं. नेहा मैम किस channel से associated है. This is this channel, Neha 0103 Money Control. It has 59,000 followers as of now, and the other channel is Neha 0103 MMB. It has 30,000 followers as of now. Guys, ये बहुत important है. So you have to have a look at it. I would just show you through Google also. So if you look at Google, if you put in Neha 0103 and enter, what will you see? This is our first money control board. This is our, so if you open this here, if you see, now we have put in my pick as of side. You can see that it's I have been speaking about this video, and it's my DP on Neha 0103's page. So this is one. Second, if you open the second channel, if you go to Google and open the second link, there would be our channel which opens, Neha 0103, which has 59,000 followers. So guys, please look and please share it with your friends, family, that so that other innocent investors and traders are not cheated by these fixtures. So we have just initiated this. Now it's up to you to how to spread it. So I am sure that you all are there in multiple WhatsApp groups, multiple Telegram channels. So you need to share this with all your friends and family and traders, that there have been fake people who have been posing as us and have been looting innocent investors. I would just show you the examples. Just give me a sec. So this is our PPT. This is the right channel. ये सही channel है, Neha 0103, जिसमें 59,000 followers है. और आपको अगर कोई भी सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना है तो @FIS_trade_admin पे क्लिक करके सब्सक्रिप्शन आप लोगों को मिल जाएगा. आपको हमारे सब्सक्रिप्शन के लिए सिर्फ अमन से बात करनी है. अमन के अलावा हमारा कोई भी सेल्स पर्सनल आपको कांटेक्ट नहीं करेगा. So this is one. This is the right channel. Now these are the fake channels to be aware of. If you look at the left hand side, this is Neha 0103 _ money control. It has 28,000 followers. If you look at the link, they have been using Neha 0103 and Pooja 0103. On the right hand side, you can see that, I lost more than 1 lakh because of his calls. So there is a trader who has just joined with us, and she has been sharing her views. After so we don't have any diamond packs. We don't give 2+2 offers and we are based out of daily. So these are the things you need to remember. हम इस तरह की ऑफर्स नहीं निकालते हैं कि 2 महीने का सब्सक्रिप्शन लीजिए और 2 महीने फ्री पाइए. ये सब हमारे एंड पे नहीं होता है. हमारे यहाँ पे अगर आपको सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना है तो अमन के साथ आप बात कीजिए और आप सब्सक्रिप्शन को ले लीजिए. गौरव नाम का कोई बंदा हमारी टीम में नहीं है. रिचमंड रूट से हमारा कोई कनेक्शन नहीं है. प्रॉफिट आइडिया से हमारा कोई कनेक्शन नहीं है. So these are the fake names which have been used by this channel. So you have to spread this among your trading community, that people could be saved from this fixtures. Then this is another one, Neha 0103 ma'am calls. So you can have a look at this, Neha @Neha_ma'am 0103. Guys, please understand, Neha ma'am has a lot of things to do herself. Will she focus on analysis of stocks? Will she focus on giving calls, or will she be talking to clients and looking at selling subscriptions. So please understand, subscriptions would be sold by Aman. He looks at the sales team, and Neha ma'am is an analyst with us. She does not talk to clients. Her focus is only on creating magic, creating good calls for you. So please understand that. Also share it with your friends and family. So that is it. We would not pay much attention to these guys. If a US giant restaurant chain like Starbucks could not save itself from being cheated, so we are just analysts. So that's the case. Let's move forward. So now there would be important pointers for new traders. These we are sharing because of our interaction with some of them. So the first one is leverage. अगर आप लोगों के पास 30,000 40,000 कैपिटल है, तो उस कैपिटल से आप लोग 1 लाख 1,10,000 1,50,000 3 या 4 times के शेयर्स ले सकते हैं, depending on the broker you have. Like Zerodha gives around 3x. There are brokers which give 10x also. So this is one thing. तो अगर आपके पास 30,000 है तो आप 1 लाख का ट्रेड ले सकते हो इंट्राडे के लिए. ये है फर्स्ट पॉइंट हमारा. So this is one. Second is short selling. Short selling मतलब कि आपके पास वो स्टॉक नहीं है पोर्टफोलियो में, फिर भी आप उसको सेल कर सकते हो if you are bearish about it and you can make money out of it. So for example, we gave an Axis Bank sell call on Friday. वो किसी के पोर्टफोलियो में नहीं था, हमारे ट्रेडर्स ने उसको शॉर्ट करा एंड वो 350 से 332 तक गया. जो 18 रुपीज का गेन हुआ वो प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस ट्रेडर्स की कैपिटल में ऐड हो गया. और अगर वही स्टॉप लॉस हिट हो जाता तो हमारा 4 रुपए का स्टॉप लॉस था, वो 4 रुपए के हिसाब से वो प्रॉफिट या लॉस, वो जो लॉस होता वो आपकी कैपिटल से लेस हो जाता. सो दीज आर द 2 पॉइंट्स व्हिच आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो नाउ लेट्स मूव आउट टू आवर लास्ट वीक परफॉर्मेंस रिपोर्ट. ये हमारी लास्ट वीक की परफॉर्मेंस है. इफ यू लुक एट फ्राइडे, दिस वाज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट डेज. इट वाज लाइक वी गेव 100% एक्यूरेसी. हमारी सारी कॉल्स चली 100% एक्यूरेसी के साथ और अच्छा डिसेंट गेन हुआ. इस पूरे वीक का परफॉर्मेंस देखा जाए तो ये आपकी स्क्रीन पे है. इट्स लाइक 1.97 lakhs ऑफ प्रॉफिट्स इन दिस वीक इटसेल्फ. सो दैट्स सिंपली अमेजिंग. इसमें आप देखिए, अगर मैं आपको इंट्राडे ट्रेड्स के बारे में थोड़ा सा बताना चाहूँ कि किस तरह से हम इंट्राडे ट्रेड्स चूज करते हैं एंड हाउ डज इट वर्क. इफ यू लुक एट दिस फ्राइडेज परफॉर्मेंस, इफ यू लुक एट इट, व्हाट वी डिड, we asked you to sell SBI futures, we asked you to sell ICICI Bank futures, we asked you to sell Ujjivan Finance, Axis Bank sell, Bajaj Finance sell. So these were the calls, these were the 5 sell calls which were generated by us. इसमें क्या हुआ था? There was a press conference by RBI which everyone knew. It was at 10 AM. Mr. Shashi Kanta Das talked about various moratoriums and the rate cuts and everything, and then market was like sell on news. And these stocks, financials and banking, started falling. They broke crucial levels, crucial necklines, and then we gave sell calls on these, and all of them worked fantastically. So this is how we plan our trade. Firstly, you have to be patient. We waited patiently till the conference was over, and when the market started reacting, the stocks started falling and crucial levels were broken, we were the first ones to give these sell calls. So this is it about the weekly performance. You must have seen it before. Now let's move on to the important thing, which is about weekly. Next week, how do we see things, what would Nifty do, and how would we plan our trades, right? So before we move on to that, we would talk about our last video. This is the Nifty chart. So if you look at these 2 lines which were drawn on our first video, these were 2 crucial levels. 9,500 levels on Nifty on the upper side, and the lower side was around 9,100 levels. And if you remember about our last video, we said that we think that it should be broken on the lower end and it should fall drastically. That is what happened on Monday. Exactly this happened. This crucial level of 9,100 was broken and then it went down. If you can see this, you can see this big red candle, right? ये बड़ी लाल कैंडल आप लोगों को दिख रही है. हम लोगों ने पिछले वीडियो में यही बोला था कि जिस तरफ भी ये लेवल, ये रेंज ब्रेक होगी, एक शार्प मूव आएगा, जो कि मंडे को आया, राइट? तो अभी इस वीक भी अगर आप देखेंगे तो उसी 9100 लेवल पे हमने रेजिस्टेंस देखा है. जो पहले सपोर्ट था वो एक बार ब्रेक होने के बाद रेजिस्टेंस बन जाता है. तो इस 9100 लेवल तक जब तक मार्केट क्रॉस नहीं करती है, वी फील दैट मार्केट इज वीक and more downside could be seen in the coming days. And in the last video itself, we talked about Bharti and Reliance, right? So this is our holistic view that data would be the new king. We have been talking about this from last 2 videos itself. So we remain bullish on Bharti and Reliance as we were in the last 2 videos. In the last video, we talked about pharma. Pharma is looking strong. Cipla is making new 52-week high. So that's a great zone to be in. And then Dr. Reddy posted fantastic numbers. So pharma is a sector to watch out for in the future. And if we look at it, we also talked about metals. Metals we feel that have been, are very undervalued. So Vedanta, stocks like Vedanta, JSW Steel, these should be on your radar, and you can invest in staggered manner. And one more, you know, for a like as a firm, what we are believing is that markets could go down further if Corona increases, right? So in this case, if you have not invested till now, you are a new investor, you want to invest, we would suggest please wait, hold on to your investment. We have been doing great in trading, right? So focus on trading for few days. Let this Corona news subside. Either there would be an antidote or there would be a vaccine which should be created, or this US China issues would be sorted, or they would not be sorted. So these two factors are very, very important. So we feel hold on to the new investments for a while, focus on trading. We are minting money daily, so let's focus on the trading part. And even if the antidote or the vaccine comes, we would buy above these levels. We would buy above 9,500 levels, right? So rather than doing bottom fishing, let's hold on to our investment. And once this crucial levels are broken, if the 9,500 levels would be broken, then we would invest for long run. So this is what we believe. And I would again like to, you know, conclude by saying that Corona is rising at a rapid pace. Please be cautious. Please take care of yourself and stay home. If it's very necessary, then only move out of your houses. Thanks. Hope you liked our video. Please subscribe and share if you want. If you want that other traders and innocent investors are not being looted by these fake channels, so please share it with your trading community. Thanks, guys. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Thanks. Bye-bye.